Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find your draft posts on Facebook. So what is draft post? Well, basically, if you try to post something and you then delay it or schedule it for later, that's called a draft post. If you don't know how to create it, let me first show you how to do that. First, you want to open your Facebook, and at the top you can see this option called What's on Your Mind. You want to click on it, and let's say I write anything over here. So I just write something random, and let's say I don't want to post this. So what I can do is click on the cross at the top right and click on Save Draft. Once I do that, this post has been saved in the draft. So that's how you guys can save a draft for those people who do not know it. So this is what a draft is. Now let me show you how you guys can find the drafts on Facebook. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to go on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you're in the Facebook menu page, at the top you can see your profile name. Click on it. Once you click on your name, it's going to bring you to your Facebook profile. Now once you're in your Facebook page, what you want to do is scroll a bit down, and where it says your posts, you want to click on your post. And as you guys can see, the post which I had saved on draft has opened up over here automatically. Now instead of this, I can edit it as well. So I'm going to write cool day, and I click on next at the top right. I click on share, and as you guys can see, the post which was saved on my draft, I edited it and I posted it as well. So that's how you guys can find your draft post on Facebook. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.